T-Dog did to our brother, now we get stronger. When he sees us next time, he won't see prey.
After a quick jab of the juice, this tabby means business. Syringe down, sleeves off, and it's straight to the iron. Biceps burn through curl after curl, chest presses like a machine.
Here's your story. You woke up, you found her, that's all you know. Say it.
I woke up, I found her, that's all I know.
Again.
I woke up, I found her, that's all I know.
Again. Again.
I woke up, I found her, that's all I know. I woke up, I found her, that's all I know.
They know what's coming. The fight of their lives. So they grind. Every rep, every stride, every punch. Clawed, whiskered, and ready.
It's over. It's over.